for the hob, cooking hob, and for the chimney, the point. One switchboard here for sockets and light switch, and one at the entry. This will be for 2 sockets, 2 switches, and other switches for the lights and fan, etc. So we have not touched the column, we have just chiseled the plaster. Just remember that never ever touch the column. And this is the under cabinet light point. Then on the opposite wall, this is the point below the counter for the washing machine. Switch for that same washing machine socket, and also for the water filter above, which will come in the cabinet. That's the socket for the water filter. So here below the window we'll have the sink, probably mostly double sink. So the drainage and supply line should be here of the water. And outside we are going to give a gate valve to control the entire water supply from outside. And we have a storage here. We have another switchboard here. This socket will be in for the microwave in the shelf above, open shelf. We'll have a tall unit here. So we have just made the otla here. There will be a tall unit here, and after that the fridge. So behind the fridge we have given the switch socket at the entry side, so that you can put your hand from behind and switch off if and when required. That's all for today.